Have you ever wondered how your smartphone can recognize your face, or how your email filters out spam? This is the work of artificial intelligence, or AI. Simply put, AI is a branch of computer science that creates systems capable of tasks that usually require human intelligence. These tasks range from visual perception, speech recognition, and decision-making to translation between languages. It's all around us, subtly influencing our everyday lives. But what impact does it have? Imagine a world where machines can predict your needs, perform complex tasks, and even save lives. This is not science fiction, but the reality of AI. Artificial intelligence, or AI, has the power to revolutionize our lives in countless ways. One of the most notable benefits is efficiency. AI can process and analyze data at lightning speeds, far surpassing human capabilities. This results in increased productivity and accuracy. Moreover, AI can significantly reduce human error. It's not affected by fatigue, emotions, or distractions, and that's crucial in fields like healthcare, where mistakes can have dire consequences. AI can also take on tasks that are hazardous to humans. Think about robots that defuse bombs or drones that explore inhospitable environments. Another major advantage is AI's ability to make predictions based on vast amounts of data. This can lead to breakthroughs in everything from weather forecasting to disease diagnosis. While these benefits are impressive, AI does have a darker side. As with any powerful tool, AI can have negative implications if not used responsibly. One of the most pressing concerns is job displacement. As AI systems become increasingly capable, they could potentially replace human workers in a variety of roles, from manufacturing to customer service. This could lead to widespread unemployment and social inequality. Privacy is another major issue. AI systems often require vast amounts of data to function effectively, and this data is frequently personal and sensitive. There's a risk that this information could be misused or fall into the wrong hands. Furthermore, AI lacks emotional intelligence. While it can mimic human interaction to an extent, it can't fully understand or replicate the nuances of human emotion. This could lead to misunderstandings and misinterpretations, especially in fields like healthcare or counseling. Lastly, there's the risk of AI being used maliciously. From deepfakes to autonomous weapons, the potential for harm is significant. Clearly, AI is a double-edged sword, offering both immense potential and significant risks. AI, a marvel of modern technology, has already started shaping our world in ways we may not even realize. We've delved into its essence, a blend of machine learning and problem-solving capabilities that elevate our efficiency, but also spotlighted the flip side, the privacy concerns it carries. As we journey further into this digital era, it's clear that the benefits and challenges of AI will continue to intertwine. As we continue to unlock the potential of AI, we must strive to use it responsibly, balancing its benefits against its potential risks.